Today's video is all about apples. Hi, you two.
Hi.
What is happening to the apple that you two just bit?
It turned brown? It's turning brown?
It's starting to turn brown, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, I heard if you put lemon juice on your apple, that'll actually slow the browning process. Do you want to give it a shot?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. We are going to test 3 different brands of apples with the lemon juice. We have Red Delicious, Golden Delicious, and Fuji. Okay, let's put this lemon juice trick to the test. So now we cut up our apple slices, and we're going to put some lemon juice drops on the slices that are in the cup. Are you two ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so put maybe 3 or 4 drops on the slice that's inside the cup.
4.
Okay, 4 drops.
How does lemon juice stop an apple from browning? Lemon juice keeps the apple from turning brown because it is full of absorbic acid and it has a low pH level. The lemon juice acts like a shield. The oxygen will react with the absorbic acid before it reacts with the oxidized enzyme in the fruit.
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get rid of all the excess lemon juice that's sitting at the bottom of the cups, and we're gonna come back and see what happened.
We will reveal our results after our next science experiment. Apple Volcano.
Okay, so we are going to make an apple volcano. This is really easy to do. All you have to do is cut a hole in the apple about halfway, add some baking soda to the apple. Food coloring is optional, and then add vinegar and watch what happens. Evelyn, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead and take the lid off the apple. Let's put some baking soda in there.
What baking soda? This baking soda?
Do you want to add some food coloring? Okay, so maybe 2 drops. Perfect. And then add some vinegar and watch what happens.
Oh, it's making it again. Come on.
Now this experiment is something you can do over and over again. Finn, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, add that baking soda. Yes. Big scoop in the middle. Big scoop, yes. Good job.
This.
Now you can add some food coloring.
Okay. I just want my clothes on now.
Perfect. And to make it really bubbly, we can add some dish soap.
And this too.
We give it 1 squirt of dish soap. Good. Perfect. And now you're going to add the vinegar. What's happening?
It's bubbling.
It's bubbling.
Bubbling more.
Yes. The dish soap made it really foamy. Whoa. Look at that.
I made a volcano.
Yeah, good job.
Oh, wait.
45 minutes ago, we put 3 brands of apples to the test. Will putting a little bit of lemon juice make a difference? Let's see. Let's take a closer look. We are going to remove the the apple slice from the cup. So this is the one that has the lemon juice on it. And we're going to compare it to the one that doesn't have the lemon juice. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's take the apple out of the cup.
Before we take a closer look at the apple slices, let's answer the question, why do the apples turn brown in the first place? Here's what we found out. When an apple is damaged, even cut into slices, the enzyme in the apple reacts to oxygen in the air, causing oxidation. The apple produces melanin to protect the apple, which is the brown that you see.
Do you see a difference between the two apple slices? Take a close look.
That one is a little round. That one is a white round. That one is the same.
Just to recap, the Red Delicious apple slices look the same. The Golden Delicious, the ones that we didn't put the lemon juice on, has a little bit of brown. And the Fuji apple slice that we didn't put the lemon juice on is brown.
Take a bite
This one?
of the apple we didn't put anything on.
This one?
Yep, take a little bite of that one. Just a little bite. Okay? Now that one had a little bit of brown on it. Does it taste any different?
It's good.
It's good? It's good even though it had brown on it? Okay. Now I want you to take the slice that we put in the lemon juice. I want you to take a bite.
That one?
You too, Finn. Does it taste any different?
No.
Does it? Super delicious but different. Can you taste the lemon juice in it at all? Is it sour?
No.
No?
But they're pieces. They're pieces. They're pieces from this one.
Yeah, between those two pieces, was there a difference in taste or not?
Yes.
Yes?
But this is good.
But it's good. Well, there you have it.
Of that one.
Put lemon juice on your apples to prevent it from browning, and it still tastes good.
On here?